Dreaming of a Maid. Dream Interpretations. Hello and welcome to Dream Interpretations. In today's video, we explore the fascinating symbolism of dreaming about a maid. A maid in your dream is rarely just about cleaning. She often represents a deeper psychological need for order, clarity, or emotional purification. From a psychological perspective, the maid archetype can embody the part of you that seeks to tidy up your inner world, perhaps unresolved emotions, lingering regrets, or mental clutter. Carl Jung might say she is an anima figure, a feminine aspect of the psyche that helps you integrate neglected feelings. On a spiritual level, the maid can appear as a guide, encouraging you to sweep away old patterns and make space for new growth. The context matters greatly. If she is cleaning, you may be ready to release guilt or cleanse your energy. If she is silent or mysterious, it could signal a hidden aspect of yourself waiting to be acknowledged. If she is helpful, your subconscious is reminding you that support is available, but you must first accept it. If she is ignoring you, perhaps you are neglecting your own need for self-care. Pay attention to the details. Was she friendly, stern, or doing a specific task? These nuances reveal whether you are in a phase of healing, transformation, or preparation. The maid can also symbolize service, humility, or even control. Ask yourself, are you overly focused on pleasing others? Or are you creating order in your life in a healthy way? This dream invites you to assess the cleanliness of your mind and spirit. By understanding this symbol, you can unlock a deeper sense of peace and self-awareness. Thank you for joining me on this journey of inner discovery. Dream well, and remember, every image holds a message just for you.